Good morning, everyone. My name is Fanny C. Almañana, and today I'm presenting a solution to a systemic bottleneck in education. Welcome to the Future of Assessment, a hybrid examination questions generator and recommender system using rule-based logic with collaborative filtering to revolutionize how we measure knowledge. Here is our roadmap for the next few minutes. We'll explain the why, the pain points educators face when creating examinations, look at the how, the unique hybrid engine we've built, and finally, show you the proof, the data that shows this isn't just a concept, but a high-performing, scalable reality. Imagine a world where educators spend less time on the mechanics of testing and more time on the magic of teaching. We've all seen it. Professors bogged down by spreadsheets and manual question banks, trying to craft the perfect exam. Talking about the old way, creating a valid, fair, and secure exam is a nightmare. It is slow, prone to human error, and exhausting. We face issues with questions redundancy, validity, and the constant threat to academic integrity. But here is the new way. Our solution automates the heavy lifting. We've built an intelligent system that doesn't just pick questions, it recommends them. By combining rule-based constraints with collaborative intelligence, we ensure every exam is balanced, fresh, and aligned with learning objectives. This is automation with a human touch. To build this, we had to answer five critical questions. First, how do we solve the manual grind? Second, how do we use dynamic filtering to ensure diversity in questions? Third, how can we use student performance data to optimize selection? Fourth, how do we integrate this into a seamless user experience? And finally, how do we prove it works and it meets the required software quality attributes based on ISO IEC 25010-2011? Our objective is clear: to build a system that understands the educator's workflow. We set out to create an automated exam generator that handles everything from Bloom's taxonomy alignment to table of specification generation. We didn't just want a folder of questions. We wanted an organized, intelligent item bank. Additionally, to utilize dynamic filtering techniques in extracting exam questions from the item bank and randomization techniques to ensure variety and fairness in assessments. And finally, to design a survey aligned with ISO 25010 standards to gauge the efficacy of an automated recommender system. Our engine is built on a dual pillar foundation. On one side, we have the pedagogy, showing the education theories and taxonomies utilized in the study. On the other side, we have the technology, the implementation of the selected algorithmic approaches, which are the rule-based engine, collaborative filtering, and the Fisher-Yates shuffle for an unbiased randomization. This diagram illustrates our conceptual framework, showing how various components interact to inform the system's intelligent question generation and recommendation processes. It's the blueprint of our innovation. Our system architecture is a sophisticated pipeline. We take the syllabus, the item bank, and historical performance data. The rule-based engine sets the boundaries, ensuring the right difficulty and topic coverage. Then, the collaborative filtering layer suggests the most effective questions based on real-world data. The result? A perfectly tailored exam generated in seconds and not in hours. Who wins here? Everyone. Educators reclaim their time to focus on mentoring. Students get a fairer, more diverse assessments that truly reflect their knowledge. Institutions gain a centralized, secure, and data-driven way to manage their intellectual property. which there is their exams. And future researchers have a robust foundation to build upon. We are building a more transparent and efficient educational ecosystem. We have focused our MVP on the essentials: item bank maintenance, exam creation, recommendation, and TOS generation. We support objective type questions like multiple choice, true or false, and fill in the blank. Users can customize exams by module, difficulty, format, and number of questions. All items are from faculty-prepared item banks. Our system provides item recommendations based on dynamic filtering and supports online examination. For our pilot version, we battle-tested this with the database system course of FEU Institute of Technology in Manila. This focused approach allowed us to build a reliable core. While our vision is broad, our initial scope has clear boundaries. It does not cover the entire examination process, nor does it include assigning exam proctors. Integration with LMS is a future goal, and we acknowledge that bias and fairness may occur depending on the exam settings chosen by the teacher. We use a descriptive developmental research methodology, gathering insights through interviews and surveys. We populated our item bank and item analysis table with real data. Our development followed an agile Scrum framework, iterating based on real faculty feedback. At the heart of our system are powerful algorithms: rule-based filtering for structured constraints, collaborative filtering for intelligent recommendations based on historical data, and a randomization method to ensure questions variety and prevent predictability. Our data gathering was meticulous. We conducted interviews with IT and computer science faculty to contribute to the system's initial design. We collated exam questions from various sources to build a comprehensive item bank. We administered online assessments to students to populate our item analysis table and disseminated ISO survey questionnaires to selected respondents. To validate our system, we employed a multifaceted approach to data analysis. This included algorithm simulation, evaluation against the ISO IEC 25010-211 standard, descriptive statistics, a 5-point Likert scale for user perception, and weighted mean calculations to quantify our findings. Our findings revealed that traditional exam generation is indeed a time-consuming and complex process, plagued by redundancy, inconsistent difficulty, and limited monitoring. Educators struggle with validity, integrity, and timely feedback. The lack of analysis highlights the urgent need for a more intelligent automated system, and that is precisely what we have built. Addressing the second research question, the integration of rule-based and collaborative filtering significantly improves exam generation. This hybrid approach supports both automated and manual creation, offers intelligent question recommendations, and enhances decision-making. The result is improved efficiency, reduced redundancy, and higher quality examinations. For our final research question, the results are compelling. A grand mean of 4.33, interpreted as acceptable, indicating strong overall performance across all quality characteristics. Here is the breakdown of our system performance. Performance efficiency truly stands out, achieving a highly acceptable 4.68. This means the system is not just effective, but incredibly fast, scalable, and responsive, a critical advantage in today's educational landscape. Our findings confirm that the developed system is efficient. It offers a practical solution to traditional exam creation limitations. However, we have identified the key areas for future enhancements to push its performance even further. These are system integration, interoperability, interface design, and user experience. In conclusion, the examination generator hybrid system is an effective solution addressing the limitations of traditional exam generation. Our hybrid approach empowers educators with informed decision-making, leading to balanced, fair, and high-quality exams. Its strongest capability lies in performance efficiency, demonstrating speed, scalability, and responsiveness. We recognize the need for further improvements in compatibility, reliability, usability, especially interface design, and advanced security mechanisms. Our first set of recommendations focuses on system enhancement. We strongly advise improving the user interface design and visual appeal for a more engaging experience. Strengthening input validation and error prevention is crucial for accuracy. Furthermore, enhancing system interoperability, particularly with LMS, will significantly broaden its usability and impact. Next, we recommend optimizing resource utilization to ensure efficient operation. Implementing improvements in fault tolerance and recovery mechanisms will allow the system to function effectively even during unexpected failures. Finally, establishing robust data backup and disaster recovery solutions is paramount to safeguarding system data and ensuring continuous operations. Security is non-negotiable. We strongly recommend implementing multi-factor authentication to enhance user verification and prevent unauthorized access. Regular security testing and vulnerability assessments are essential to proactively identify potential risks and maintain the highest level of system security. We are committed to building a fortress for academic integrity. This research stands on the shoulders of giants and agile methodologies, collaborative filtering, and automated